Cybercriminals are attempting to take advantage of the popularity of Clubhouse to deliver malware that aims to steal users' login information for a variety of online services, ESET malware researcher Lucas Stefanko has found. Disguised as the, as yet non-existent, Android model of the invitation-only audio chat app, the malicious bundle is served from a website that has the appearance and experience of the genuine Clubhouse website. The Trojan, nicknamed BlackRock by using threat fabric and detected through ESET products as Android Trojan Dropper Agent, HLR, can scour steal victims' login data for no fewer than 458 online services. The app contains the BlackRock Trojan. This is notorious for stealing consumer credentials. As soon as the malware is set up on the cell phone, and some other prone app is launched, it will use an overlay attack to thieve the consumer credentials. Some of the famous apps that may be hacked encompass Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, Amazon, and Netflix. There's currently no Android model of the Clubhouse app. There's one within the works, and while it's released it is going to be available at the Google Play Shop. Thinking about Clubhouse's popularity or any new app for that count, clone apps that can be doubtlessly dangerous normally display up. For more similar videos, please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.